Earth is the only habitable planet in our solar system. And it is this way because we have three important qualities. We have mass, we have a good position from the sun, and we have a strong magnetic field. The mass of a planet gives it gravitational pull that allows it to hold on to these different atmospheric molecules. The molecules naturally try and escape the gravitational pull, and temperature increases their speed, allowing them to do so. The temperature gives molecules a higher velocity. A molecule that is heavier will be slower, and a molecule with a low temperature will have a hard time escaping. Hot planets have fast-moving molecules. Earth is cooler and able to hang on to these lighter molecules, so we are able to keep nitrogen gas and oxygen gas. Oxygen and carbon dioxide are heavier molecules. Nitrogen and oxygen are also two very important molecules necessary for sustaining life on Earth. Our mass allows us to hold on to our atmosphere, which provides us with that oxygen, and we use that for breathing. It also provides us with the carbon dioxide, which provides us with greenhouse gases, enabling us to keep our planet warm enough to sustain life on Earth. Our position from the sun is close enough that we maintain enough heat to survive, but not too close so that our atmosphere burns up. Our atmosphere is really important because it protects us from the sun's rays. Our ozone layer protects us from the sun's rays as well. Our position from the sun also allows Earth to maintain liquid water. The distance Earth orbits the sun is just right for water to remain a liquid. This distance from the sun is called the habitable zone or the Goldilocks zone. Life on Earth started in water, and water is a necessary ingredient for life. It is Earth's relationship to the sun and the amount of light it receives that is responsible for the seasons and Earth's biodiversity. Earth's magnetic field protects our planet from solar winds. When the solar winds strike the magnetic field, it is deflected around, shielding the planet within. The magnetic field also protects us from asteroids and comets. It is also another thing that helps maintain Earth's atmosphere. We have a liquid inner core and plate tectonics, and these help maintain our strong magnetic field as well. As I said previously, carbon dioxide is a really important factor in maintaining life on Earth. Well, plate tectonics play an important role in maintaining the amount of carbon that we have on Earth. As the tectonic plates keep moving, carbon is cycled and recycled within the various layers of Earth. Plate tectonics plays a key role in the carbon cycle and in determining the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. The carbon dioxide in the atmosphere mixes with rain to form carbonic acid, which eventually weathers rock. This process creates carbonates such as limestone, which settle at the bottom of the oceans and subduct into the mantle. However, if all the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere were to enter the mantle, the Earth would freeze. The loss of this greenhouse gas is compensated for by the volcanic eruptions that occur at the subduction zone. These volcanoes release carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, thereby replenishing the same. Thus, the carbon cycle acts as the base for sustaining life on Earth. It's not the only cycle that helps sustain life on Earth. The water cycle and the rock cycle are also both important aspects of maintaining life on Earth. There are many necessities that must be met in order for life to be sustained on Earth, all of which are possible based on our Earth's mass, our position from the sun, and our magnetic field. Because of these, we have liquid water, we have an atmosphere, we have oxygen, we have protection from the sun's harmful rays, we have protection from solar winds, we are able to create soil from rock cycles, we have sunlight, and we have carbon dioxide.